Wow! Look at that, everyone! Huh? That twinkling light isn't magic, you know?
Professor, why do fireflies glow? Do they have tiny flashlights in their bellies?
Not flashlights at all. The light comes from a chemical reaction inside their bodies.
Inside a firefly's abdomen, there are special substances called luciferin and the enzyme luciferase.
When they react with oxygen, energy is released. Oh, as light.
What do they glow for, Professor? Just for show?
Ooh.
Not just for show, it's also for flirting.
If you blink the wrong way, no partner for you.
Some blink in double beats, others in arcs. It's like a language of light.
If you blink like that, you'll only attract mosquitoes.
Their light is gentle, helping them communicate without attracting predators. Even more amazing, some fireflies flash in sync. Thousands of lights in perfect harmony.
Professor, could they be having a disco party? Fireflies create cold light, much more efficient than human-made bulbs.
A great lesson from nature on how to use energy efficiently.
Sometimes, the smallest light can provide the greatest inspiration.
Science is when we see beauty and understand why it exists. Science is when we see beauty and understand why it exists.